Hi, what's going on, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to 36 Garage. My name is Michael and we are back at it with another E36 content. As you can see in the back, the E36 is on the lift right now. The car's been sitting up there for about a month and a half. No, a month. Reason why it's been on the lift for so long is because I've been having some issues with the excessive front camber ever since installing the new angle kit, which extends the wheel out a bit further than the E46 arms. Yeah, so right now it's sitting on BC coilovers, BR series, and the camber plate that came with it was just not enough to get rid of the negative camber. I bought a new camber plate which will have more adjustability. Yeah, right now with the BC it's maxed out, so that's the furthest I can go. I can't pass safety because the excessive front camber. I'll worry about that later, but oh my gosh. Anyways, but let's just get right into the video. So you guys already know it's December, it's Christmas month. Fun fact, Christmas is actually my favorite holiday to celebrate because, you know, who doesn't love receiving gifts from friends and family? I mean, not that I don't give out gifts, you know, like, whew, it's getting hot in here. Ever since I bought the E36, I've been wanting to strap a Christmas tree on top of the car. You know, I always wanted to do that, but I just kept pushing it back, or my car broke down or something. But so this year, I'm actually gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be strapping a Christmas tree. I have it right outside in my van right now, so but we're gonna be strapping a Christmas tree on top and install the Underglow. I'm excited for that. I've been waiting to install that. We got a lot to do today. It's about almost 4 o'clock, so I hope we can get it done before it gets dark. But yeah, let's just get right into it. All right guys, so we got the E36 on the lift. Let's see what we're dealing with. So I'm unsure of how I'm gonna be routing this, but I know for a fact that I'll be running the power line through the shifter boot somehow, and at the same time trying to avoid the exhaust in the drive shaft. Yeah, I don't have the heat shield on because it was falling apart, so I just removed the whole thing. It's gonna be a fun job. Here's the Underglow made by Nightlight. I bought it from Amazon. It has the highest review. Never used it before, but it's got a good review, so I'm gonna try it out and see what's all about. So in here, let's see what it came with. So first off, it came with the remote that you can change the color on the go. Also came with some power wire. This is for these cigarette lighter. Zip ties, some screws. This is gonna be what's gonna hold the wire to the frame of the car. And then more wires. I'm guessing just power extension. Another one here. And what's in here? Oh, in here is actually the LED strip. I thought it was gonna be white, but it's actually black. Let's just see what's inside. So it's kind of hard to open with one hand. So you can see here is the LED light. On the backing, there's a tape in the back here. I believe it's double-sided tape. So there's 2 of them. And I'm not sure the length of these, but yeah. Once I find out, I'll put like in a comment or right here somewhere some instructions of how to install it. But this is all easy stuff. And you got the control and then the battery. Just gotta find a way to just route the power wire to the battery somehow. And then everything else is just you can just do however you want. Pretty unique that the brain fart. They provide a controller. I've read on some LED strip light, they did not come with a remote, but yeah, I'm glad this one came with one. All of this is, I think, about 30 bucks, less than 40, I know for sure. Alright guys, so I got everything out of the package and just lay it out here for you guys. Initially I thought these came in one piece, but it's actually 4 pieces. Each of these are about 36.5 inches long, so which should be enough for the E36. Oh, and by the way, the E36 back on stock, because last weekend I tried to get safety done, but I failed because of the like I said, the poking out and the camber, the negative camber. But yeah, that's gonna get fixed soon. I'm still waiting on the camber plate. It's not up to date right now, so, and I need to take this car out sometime this week, maybe this weekend, for a photo shoot with the Christmas tree, which I'm really excited for that. I was reading off of the website, and one of the special functions on the remote, when you play music, the lights will dance with the music, so it's pretty cool, right? Anywho, I'm talking too much. Let's just get this party started. Oh my gosh, finally done. I didn't think it was gonna take this long. I started off at 3 something in the afternoon, and now it's about almost 7. I didn't think it was gonna take this long, but finally got it done. I couldn't record the whole process because it was hard recording and, you know, doing it at the same time. Yeah, I'm glad it's done, and I'll show you guys how I did it. It's not fully connected to the power just yet, but just the just the strip part for now. Starting from the front, first LED stripped. You can see I just, you know, just bolted it down with the bracket that came with it, and I just do it all the way down to the other side. And there's a hole right here. There's an existing hole, and what I did there, just enlarged the hole for the fitting to fit in. You can see the fitting right there, this one right there, just for the fitting to fit through. And then from there you just route it up, and there's also an existing hole right there too, so I just zip tie it down there. Most of these are zip tied from front and back, so you're gonna need a whole lot of zip tie for this, but yeah, so zip tie from here and to this connector. Make sure to leave the connector up here on the bumper itself, just in case when you remove the bumper, you can just simply disconnect the connection here, and the bumper will just come out with the LED strip still on. And from the connection, it goes all the way down and it wraps around on the back side, because I know at full lock this tire is gonna rub here. I used to have it ran down here, but I was afraid that the tire is gonna rub at full lock. But yeah, I just routed it in the back, you can see right there, and then it just wraps out in the front on this side, you can see. And there's also another existing hole here. I just fed the connector through. It comes out on this side of the hole, you can see here. This is all past driver's side. So just follow along there. You can see a whole bunch of wire right here. All of the main wires, they all split right here. Towards the back here, you can see there's not a problem, the exhaust. So you see on this exhaust brace or whatever it is, there's a lip right here. You can see right here. There's a lip where the wire can sit in. So I pretty much just laid it on top of that, and there's a existing hole right there, and perfect for me to zip tie it down. Same on the other side, same procedure, and then from there I just followed along the gas tank, and then you can see right there, and from here towards the back, just over the control arm and the upper control arm, and just kind of following. You don't have to follow the exact route that I'm doing. This is just how I prefer to do it, but if you have another way to do it, you know, stick to your route, but just showing you guys how I'm running this. And towards the back, you see this strip. I just kind of clamped it down real easy. Going off towards the side, so you can see this. I didn't use all of the included hardwares and brackets. This is actually from my work. The included piece right here, it's kind of weak, you know. Focus. It's kind of weak, so I don't really like this too much. Oh goodness, focus. Here, it's kind of weak. Once you screw it down, the ends right here will snap off. You know, it will just break apart. So yeah, I'm not using this anymore. Yeah, so same for the other side. Same thing. And you can see this is what I was talking about. This is where the wire splits right here. So it just comes along here and then all gets split here at the bar. Just be careful though when you zip tie on here, because the exhaust is on the passenger side. See, I have the wires kind of on the opposite of the exhaust, just in case it ever gets burned. Or I'm kind of worried about this zip tie right here. It might go out first, but that's why I have some bunch of zip ties holding it up just in case. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Next, just have to work on the power source. And we are done, boys. That is it. The Underglow is working perfectly fine, no issue whatsoever. But it did took me 3 hours just to install that. You know, I was hoping to get the Underglow installed and the Christmas tree done the same day, but you know, the Underglow installation pretty much took the whole day. But I'm glad I got that done. I can just save the Christmas tree for tomorrow. But yeah, it was not too bad. It just kind of like time consuming. I mean, for first timer, definitely just take your time and do it right the first time. You don't want to go under the car another second or third time, but just do it right. Take your time, and you don't have to necessarily follow what I did there. You know, I did that because that's the best route for me. So if you find a better path that's easier for you or looks more clean than mine, but by all means, do whatever is easier for you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Yeah. Good morning, guys. The next day, I'm back again at the shop. Not so good of a weather today. It's raining. Rain or shine, we still rolling. So yeah, we got a unfinished business today. So I'm not gonna be talking too much. Just gonna get straight into it. Yesterday we installed the Underglow, as you guys can see in the previous clip, and that took a while. It took me like 3 hours. But the Christmas tree should be relatively easy. Shouldn't take me too long. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the tree. It is indeed a fake tree. This is a pre-lit one, so it does come with all the lights and everything. All it needs is some kind of power to plug into, which that's easy. I think this tree is about 6.5 feet tall. Yeah, looks about right. This tree was actually set up in my living room about a week ago, and I pretty much just stole it from my living room just for the E36 so I can get the photo shoots done this week. So, but let's get this onto the car. Before I put the tree on top of the car, put some rag or any towels on top, just prevent any scratches. Alright guys, so we got the tree on top of the car, and honestly I thought it was gonna be way too long for the car, but it actually looked good. Not too long, not too short. But next up we're gonna be strapping the tree down with the ratchet strap. These are some ratchet straps that I had laying around. This should be enough just to strap down the tree. Probably need about 2 straps. Yeah, maybe 2 straps. Got this bad boy strapped up, and man, it is freaking solid. Hell yeah. Alright, so all that's left is to route this power cable into the car, which I'll be running it through the sunroof. Grateful I still have the sunroof. So yeah, I'll be running it through there, and then there's another end of this piece in the center console somewhere. This is the other end of the power cord that I was telling you guys about. I already got the cords through the sunroof, and you can see this end here. Then this end here later connects to the other end of this block, which is right here. And then it is a 2-prong, but luckily I have this DeWalt power inverter, which, you know, it just gets its supplies from the cigarette lighter. So yeah, once I plug this in, we should have pretty lights. And as for the underglow, I utilized this fog light switch. Currently I'm not running any fog lights, so to get this to work, at the connector end, cut the connector off and splice the 2 wires together on both sides, driver and passenger, and then you should be good to go. Utilizing this fog light switch looks a lot cleaner. It's OEM, it's free, and it works out. Let's fucking go, boys. We got light to the Christmas tree. She's lit. The underglow is done. I think we're all set. All that's left is maybe probably give the car a wash because she's filthy. Other than that, check this out though. And that's a wrap, folks. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're still watching my video and you're not a subscriber yet, what are you doing, man? Subscribe to the channel. Peace out. Happy holiday.